Hello dear friends, welcome to the 11th edition of Extrapreneurs. I hope you are really excited. It's starting in a few weeks, in 5 weeks. So now, to start, the first job I will ask to you, Extrapreneur leader, is to create the fiche projet, we call it. It's the project sheet, and that will help us to understand what do you want to do, where you want to do it, with who you want to do it, why you want to do it. So the first, we will send to you the Word document in the WhatsApp, so you can download the document, fill it in, and send it back to the team here in Brussels. So you put the name of the project. If you don't have a name yet, invent a funny name, or a name that everybody will recognize. The address of the project is the physical address of the land or the organization, and the Google link. So the Google link, just to show you how to do, just go to Google Maps. You put your address. This is the office. You see, this is here we are on the 6th floor. This is the address, and then you go sharing here. And when you share, you can copy the link here, copy this link, and paste it into the project sheet. Yes, here it is. This is here, the Google link. So we will be able to flag exactly where you are and put the pictures on the flag. We will have a map also on the website, so we can see you where you are. This is here. If you have a website or a web link, so we can see where you are, what you do, also on your website. This is the project description, a short description, like we call it an elevator pitch, a few sentences, what you want to do, so we understand your project. Don't go too much into the details, but especially what is your dream to achieve in 2 months' time. So what is it? Don't think about how you're going to do it, but what you want to do it. And the wilder the dream, the crazier it is, the better, because therefore it will be exciting and mobilizing. So this is your goal, and then maybe you have already a state of progress. What resources you have already? Has it started or not? So we can understand what is the status today of your project. And so we will also, the team will understand where to help you and to who to connect you, to which the knowledge, who other extrapreneurs, to see where you can get some help. Now, also the challenges you would like to give an answer to locally. Is it housing, education, pollution, whatever, waste or healthcare? So which are the challenges? And you will come up quickly with 3, 4, 5 challenges. This is typically the projects we do, is one project is giving answers to multiple challenges. And on the second page, who owns the project? Who is the owner of the land or the building or whatever? And who are the partners who are already involved and why? Local partners, maybe neighbors or political partners or administrative partners, or companies you want to work with, or other ONGs, or students, maybe universities. And here you have the team. The Extrapreneur leader is the Extrapreneur who's going to organize, animate, boost the team, and participate for 3 days a week with your name and your phone number for WhatsApp communications and your email. With your email, we'll give you access to the drives. Voila, I think, yes. And then I will ask you to send it, the Word document back to Elizabeth here in Brussels at the email ELB, I can write it down here, ELB at clubofbrussels.org. Voila. Before 15 September, so you have a week to do it. If you have questions, but it should not take over a week, it's easy to do, and send it back by email. If you have any questions, please send us email or a WhatsApp message Thank you very much and good luck. See you soon.